You ever start explaining something and halfway through you realize the other person's sound has already left the chat. They're nodding politely, saying ha ha, carry on, but their brain is on a beach in Murray. It's not their fault, it's biology. Most people's attention span is shorter than a TikTok's reel. After about 3 minutes, the brain quietly hits it. And yet, what do? We panic and start talking more. Because somewhere we were taught that more words mean more value. Spoiler, they don't. Well, I learned that hard way. My name is Ahmad Junaid, and when I became a double CCIE and later a CCDE, which basically means I design big network blueprints for large companies, I thought detail was everything. If I could explain every VLAN, every routing path, every security layer, people would surely be impressed, right? So picture this, a boardroom, 15 people, giant screens and 50 slides, and I am going to full power engineer mode, talking about BGP neighbors, OSPF areas and multicast traffic. Halfway through, I glance up. The CIO is scrolling his phone. The finance head is whispering to someone about lunch, and one poor guy is staring at the ceiling fan, probably counting blades. Well, that moment hit me harder than any failed ping test. My design wasn't the problem, my delivery was. And later that evening, I asked myself, how can I explain complex stuff without making people yawn? And that's when I discovered something called the 3 minutes rule. A simple idea, no matter how big your topic is. If you can't explain it clearly in 3 minutes, you don't understand it well enough yet. At first I thought, come on, that's too short. But I tried it and the results were ridiculous. Next client meeting, no slides, just a whiteboard. I said, here's what we are building, here's how it works, and here's why it's safe. And here's why we're the right team. 2 minutes, 40 seconds, and guess what? They nodded, not because they were polite, but because they got it. They asked questions, they leaned forward, they signed off faster than ever. So here's how the 3 minutes rule works. Whatever you are explaining, your business idea, your design, and your passion project, just answer 4 simple questions. What is it? How does it work? Are you sure? And why you? That's it. 4 questions, 3 minutes, end of mystery. Because when people understand something fast, they trust you faster. Now think about this in your own life. Ever tried explaining something to your parents and they say, or maybe you've been on a date? Yeah, you start telling a long story about your job and halfway through, he's nodding but I say, please save me. Yeah, you missed the 3 minutes mark. We all do it. Our teachers, engineers, influencers, even parents. We think detail equals impact, but impact actually comes from clarity. Let's make it even simpler. Imagine you are selling an idea at a red light. You have got 3 minutes before the light turns green. You need to make the person next to you understand, believe, and maybe even invest all before the car moves. That's what real communication feels like. No fluff, no jargon, no 15-slide funeral for your idea. Just crystal clear intent. So here's my challenge for you. Take any idea, your project, your product, even your passion, and try to explain it to someone in 3 minutes or less. Use those 4 questions. Record yourself once the old way and then again using the 3 minutes rule. Watch the difference in your own energy. You will sound more confident, more focused, and surprisingly more human. Because people don't remember everything you say. They remember how you made them feel while you said it. So next time you are explaining something, don't turn it into a 3-season Netflix series. Keep it short, keep it clear, and make it count. And if you ever notice someone zoning out while you talk, pause, smile, and remember, it's not them. It's your 3 minutes clock ticking. Thank you.